Welcome to Quick Learning. Last video we learned two basic things in Power BI, that is how to build a pie chart that shows different types of data and their percentage contributions and absolute numbers. And the second thing is how to create the stacked bar charts in Power BI. And so along with that we learned how to do the formatting on these pie charts and the bar charts in Power BI. So with this, you will be able to create different types of charts and bar graphs in this Power BI module. Today we'll be learning two things. The number one is how to add the numeric table and numeric card in Power BI, through which you can show different or specific data type in the form of a result or a KPI or an objective. And the second thing that we will be learning today in this video is how to link two tables with each other, and how so that you can select to the one common date slicer multiple graphs, and the result of those graphs will be visible as per the selection of date. So through this, for this we will be connecting different tables through a manage relationship option in Power Business Intelligence Power BI. And in this way we will be connecting the two tables, and we will be able to select the data. So to add the card, numeric card, you have to click on this option, new card, enter in visualization. As you see, I have clicked it and the card is visible, and it is showing me one option, that is data, add data fields. For this, my right side a table is visible, so I can select any column from that table that I want to show here. I want to make that visible here, so I will select one, that is HFO saving in rupees. So I will drag and drop this specific column from this table on in this option of data. Once it is put here, you can see some number is visible in the card. So you can see that this number is in the form of a card, and this is showing me the outcome of this specific KPI or objective or a result for the HFO saving. And I am able to show it in Power BI specifically, that this is a saving through some this fuel in this. So when I will click it, you can see I can make different formattings on this card to make it a bit more good, visibly better, and make it a bit more visible. So for this, on the right side you can see the second option is the formatting. I have different formattings available. The number one is layout. I have different styles, either this is in the form of a table or a card. So I can make the selection that this is a card type. Then going down, I have the call out cell, call out values. I can make different formattings, the font size, bold, the font can be made bold, italic. The color of the font can be changed. Let's make it a bit green, because this is some sort of a saving. So I'm converting it to a greenish type color, so that you can see the color of the font is changed. I can make the font in the center. I can change its alignment as well, you can see. So then going down, then I have the labels. The label is on. If I turn it off, you can see there is no label visible. So let's make the label on. So when I will click the label, the further formatting options are visible, that are showing the font sizes, the bold, italic, the color of the label. We can make, increase the font size. We can change the color of its font to make it better visible. So then going down, I have different options. Either label is visible above the value or below the value. I have converted it to below the value. Then its alignment, either it is in the middle or center or on the right side. Then we have different types of layouts, different options in layout. So these are the basic formatting options for this specific card. In general, we have different properties of title. I can enter a specific title for this card. Currently there is no title, just let's write it a saving. So you can see the title is entered. We can change the font of this title. We can make it bold, we can increase font size, we can increase change its color, we can make it alignment as in center. So different types of options are available. Let's change the color as well for the font. Then let's see, explore other formatting options as well for this. Then going down, we have the I think background option as well. Let's explore it for the background, or we can change the background color for this specific title section. Once it is changed, you can see the outlook will be changed. See, I have changed the background color for the title section. Let's change the font color to white so that it is more visible. So I'm changing the font color to white. See, now it's better visible. So you can see here that different formatting options are visible for this numeric card that is showing some saving, and it is showing a total number currently for that specific column. So let's explore if there are some other formatting options as well. And through there are multiple options available for formatting. You can explore each one of these, and you can make some options that are more suitable for your presentation or your report or your project. So see, these are types of formattings that are available here. So the second thing that we will be doing today is how to connect two graphs with each other through their date column. So if I select the date, my results should change accordingly. Currently the date slicer here is from another table. So for that you have to go to modeling, and in modeling you have to go to manage relationship. Let's click on manage relationship option from modeling. So you will see a new window will appear in front of you, and in this window what you have to do is you have to select the from table, from which table you are going to select the column of that table. Then from the two option, the two table, you have to select the specific date column. Then you have to connect these two with the many to one relationship that will be visible here. So in when you will select this, these two graphs, these two tables will be connected with each other through that date columns. So the date of one is connected with each other, and it will be visible to you through selection in slicer. So now we have selected it. You will see that slicer will change a little bit. Maybe it will change to date and the numbers. But in this way what we will be able to do is we will select any date, and our numbers in the pie chart will be changed, and the numbers in our, you can see now the date slicer is a little bit changed. It is showing me all the date numbers. So if I will click on any date, you will see that the number in card is changing and my pie chart is also changing. So now these two tables are connected with each other through the date option. So in this way we will be better able to see the relevant information through the date selection. So what you can do is you can change the format of this date as well. You can go there and you can check its hierarchy. You can make the date in the form of months only. Let me show you the steps. You have to go to that specific table MSA, that from where we drew this the date slicer. You have to go there, and here you will be able to see the different hierarchy options in that MSA category. So in the date you can see there is no hierarchy option available here, so you have to see there. So in date slicer option there are multiple. You can see the date in the form of day numbers, day names, month numbers, month names, quarter number, quarter names, or the full complete year selection as well. So it's up to you that how do you want to see the data, and how you want to select its hierarchy. So it's all up to you that how you want to show your date slicer, and how do you want to represent your data of different numeric tab cards and the pie charts. So in this way you can make the relevant accordingly in your date. You can add some new hierarchy as well. So once this hierarchy is added, you will be able to change your select your month numbers or others accordingly. So in this video we have learned two major things. The number one is how to add the add the card, numeric card, that can show you some specific KPI. And the second thing we learned is how to connect two different tables with each other through their date columns to control the data selection through a single click. For example, if you select some single date or month or year in your date slicer, your all data will be changed accordingly. So as a home practice, what you can do is you can connect the third table as well, that is of raw GCC. You can connect its date with the any of other tables as well, so that the graph can be changed accordingly as well. Just think about it. And for any questions, you can just write in comments tab related to your projects or assignments. You can just write in comments tab. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel, and write in comments if you want any more topic to learn. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.